Hey everybody, this is Susan from SmokerGrillGirl.com, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be trying our hand today at some beef jerky. We've marinated this for about 4 hours in a marinade of brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, salt, Coke, garlic powder, and soy sauce, and some black pepper. You can get the full details step by step on my website of how we marinated it, how I put it together, and everything that you need to know. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to take these strips out of here, and we're going to put them on here, and then we're going to coat them with some black pepper, and then we're going to throw them on the grill where we've set the temperature at the smoke temperature from between 160 to 200. You want to make sure that it stays above 160 to make sure that the meat does not spoil. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove each piece individually and line them up on this baking sheet. Alright, so the grill is heated up, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just put these directly on top of the grate. Okay, so we're going to go, again, we're going to check them in about 2 hours to see how they're doing, and we'll see you guys in about 2 hours. Alright, so it's been an hour since the meat has been on the grill, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just check it. So what we want to do is we're just going to pick up a piece of the jerky, and we're just going to show you what it looks like. So for it to be done, what you want it to do is to bend at least 90 degrees without it breaking or cracking. And it's not done, but it's getting pretty close. So we're going to let it cook for another hour, and then we'll come back and check it again. See you in an hour. Alright, so it's been an hour and 45 minutes, and the jerky is ready to come off the grill. And if you bend it, you'll notice that it bends without it breaking or tearing, and it's a little softer than it should be, but when we pull it off, it's going to actually cook a little bit more while it's on the plate. So we're going to go ahead and take it off the grill. Alright, so the jerky has been resting for a while, and it took an hour and 45 minutes to get done. So we're going to go ahead and give it that taste test now. Can really taste that soy sauce, and the pepper gives it a nice kick. So it's the right consistency, and you'll never have to buy beef jerky ever again. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. This was our first time making this, and I think it came out really good. We'll be definitely doing it again. So stop by at my website at SmokerGrillGirl.com for an in-depth step-by-step tutorial, and I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.